Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing 1-minute mug meals, and guess what? It's breakfast edition. So I'm going to show you how to make a complete breakfast, pretty darn delicious, I might add, in a mug in the microwave. No need to turn on your oven. No dishes apart from a mug and a spoon. These are perfect for those of you that are camping or in a dorm, or just do you and T feel like cleaning a lot of dishes. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to show you 3 different recipes today. You can have an omelette, you can have oatmeal, or you can have pancakes. All equally delicious. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one, which is the omelette. To make the omelette, you're going to crack 2 eggs into the mug. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of milk, about a tablespoon. And then if you want some cheese in there, go ahead and throw in about a tablespoon of cheese. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can add in some veggies or some meat. I'm just keeping it simple today. So you're going to put the lid on top. And this is important. You're going to poke several holes in the top of the lid. We're going to microwave this on high for 60 seconds. Now, once it comes out of the microwave, you're going to want to stir it around. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. You can add in whatever seasonings that you would like. This is really good with some salsa on top. I'm not going to have any today. And then we're going to microwave it for another 30 seconds. So you're going to want to microwave it on high for 60 seconds. Stir it around. Put your seasonings in there. And then microwave it for another 30 seconds. Next up, we're making some oatmeal. So I've got some water boiling right now on the stove. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to pour it into our mug. We're going to use the entire mug. I'm going to add half a cup of oats. You can use more or less depending upon your preference. Then we're going to put the lid on top and microwave it on high for 2 minutes. Now, when it comes out of the microwave, it's going to be really hot. Be careful when you're handling it. You can add a little bit of milk or cream and some brown sugar, and this is really good with some cinnamon on top. And the last recipe is for some pancakes. So you're going to pour the entire can of the original pancake mix right into the mug. You're going to add half a cup of milk. If you want it to be really thick, you can add less milk. If you want it to be thinner, you can add more milk. And then we're going to microwave this on high for 1 minute. Now, once it comes out of the microwave, you're going to want to flip it out onto a plate. And yes, I did have some syrup on top. You can add more or less syrup. I think that was perfect. So there you go. 3 different breakfast recipes, all in a mug. Give them a try and let me know what you think. And I will see you next time.